Hi, this is David Karp, President of Karp Auto, and welcome to the Karp Korner Construction Update. This business was started by my grandfather in 1916, and we have been with Volvo since 1957. The original building would look like this. And what we'd like to do, and in the process of doing, is a totally new Volvo showroom, which for your benefit will look like this. We appreciate all of your understanding during our construction, but when we're done and fully remodeled, you will hopefully appreciate all the effort and time that has been put into this project.